Hello friends, today we're breaking down how to download a Docker image from GitHub Container Registry without actually using Docker. Now, you might be wondering why this topic matters right now. Well, it's because more and more companies are adopting containerization as a crucial part of their tech stack, and knowing how to work with these containers can give you an edge in your developer career. So let me start by explaining what Docker is and why it's so popular among developers. Docker is an open source platform that allows us to build, ship, and run applications inside containers. These containers are like little boxes that hold all the necessary code, libraries, and dependencies needed for an app to work, making them incredibly useful for deploying apps across different environments. Now, you might be thinking, Dolphin, what's so special about GitHub Container Registry? Well, it's because GitHub is where millions of developers collaborate on projects every day. And by using the container registry, we can store and share our Docker images in a single place, making it easier for others to find and use them. But enough with the introductions. Let's dive into how you can download a Docker image from the GitHub Container Registry without actually using Docker. First things first, go to the GitHub Container Registry by clicking on this link right here, https://github.com/containers. Once you're there, find and click on the Docker image that you want to download. Now you'll see a page with all the details about the Docker image. To download it without using Docker, simply copy the image's URL from your browser's address bar. It should look something like this: https://github.com/containers/my-docker-image/raw/main/my-docker-image.tar. Next, you'll need a command line tool to download the image. There are several options here, but one of the most popular is Git. Yes, that's right, Git. If you have Git installed on your machine, navigate to the directory where you want to save the Docker image and run this command, git clone docker image URL. For example, git clone https://github.com/containers/my-docker-image/raw/main/my-docker-image.tar. Once you've run that command, you'll see a new folder in your current directory with the name of the Docker image. Inside that folder, you'll find the actual Docker image file, the .tar file. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a Docker image from GitHub Container Registry without using Docker. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Dolphin, isn't it easier to just use Docker? And you're right, it is. But sometimes, for various reasons, you may need to work with Docker images outside of the Docker environment. This method can come in handy in those situations. But here's an important takeaway. While this method works great for downloading Docker images from GitHub Container Registry without Docker, remember that it's not a substitute for using Docker itself. Docker provides many powerful tools and features that make working with containers much easier and more efficient. So go ahead and give Docker a try if you haven't already. Your future self will thank you. And that's it, folks. I hope this video helped you understand how to download Docker images from GitHub Container Registry without using Docker. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with working with containers, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us for more tech updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.